Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add auto captions to your videos in CapCut. So I'm just going to press new project and I'm going to select one of my clips where I'm talking, maybe like a 1-minute one. I'm just gonna choose this one and then press add. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to text over here and I'm going to press auto captions and add captions, and the languages available are English, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Russian, Indonesian, and Spanish. So I'm just going to do the English one and press continue. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi connected for this. And as you can see, it's created this sort of auto caption. Hey guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete other people's comments on your post. But you can also edit that in batch edit, or you're just going to press first